The Small Business Administration is an independent agency of the United States government that provides support to entrepreneurs and small businesses. The mission of the Small Business Administration is to maintain and strengthen the nation's economy by enabling the establishment and viability of small businesses and by assisting in the economic recovery of communities after disasters. There are three main SBA products: the SBA Express, the SBA 504, and the SBA 78. Let's break down each of these funding programs. This loan program is SBA's most common loan program, includes financial help for small businesses with special requirements. This is the best option when real estate is part of a business purchase, but it can also be used for short and long-term working capital, refinance current business debt, purchase furniture, fixtures, and supplies. The maximum loan amount for this loan program is $5 million. Key eligibility factors are based on what the business does to receive its income, its credit history, and where the business operates. Looking to finance a big real estate purchase? You'll likely need access to the larger funds provided through the 504 SBA loan program. The loans are made available for fixed assets, such as machinery, as well as property. Because of the large price tag for purchases of this type, the loan program has responded with a cap of $20 million. Be prepared to put some money down, however. To buy real estate through the 504 program, you'll need to show your ability to repay such a large amount and have a cash reserve equal to a down payment or more. Low rates and stable repayment terms are just a few of the reasons growing companies turn to this program when it comes time to make large expansion plans. The SBA Express Loan Program, a speedy version of the 7-8 loan program. The SBA has tapped preferred financial institutions to take on some of the risks in processing loans for quicker turnaround time. Instead of waiting weeks or even months to hear if you've been approved, the SBA Express Loan Program can deliver a verdict in just a couple of days. This is accomplished because the lenders don't have to follow rigorous underwriting rules. However, the cap for these loans is smaller, just $350,000. You may also pay slightly higher interest rates for these expedited loans. Still, it may be worth it if you need cash fast and qualify for the traditional SBA programs. Let's talk a little more about the criteria that is required to qualify. Here are some of the basic requirements for SBA funding. For personal credit, you'll typically need to have good credit, which is normally a score of 650 or higher. Regarding business credit, the SBA uses the FICO Small Business Scoring Service, or SBSS, to evaluate your business credit history. Typically, you'll need a score 155 or higher. With business operations, the business must be a for-profit business, officially registered and operating legally in the U.S. And lastly, your time in business. Most SBA lenders will require that you have 2 or more years in business.